What's going on, y'all? So we're gonna decorate this jack-o'-lantern. Like I said, I did get this at the at-home store. It was $9.99. So there's the jack-o'-lantern. The main focus we're gonna have is right up here at the top. I am gonna use, like I said, some of the stuff from the monthly supply box. And we're gonna use some of that and a little bit of foam. Not too much, but a little bit of foam. So I am going to glue this on here. Come on. Putting that right there in the front, y'all. This is one of the stems that came in the monthly box. So this was the pumpkin stem. So we're going to add that in. I'm already loving how that's looking. So I am sticking the stem to add a little bit of height right back here. Now I do have some glittered boxwood, and then I do have some affordable greenery. Really pretty. It's got an orange tint to it. I do have some of my glittered paper sprays that came in the box as well. Then we have our little ghosts and some black and white checkered stems and some black fern. Okay, and we're gonna start off with our ribbons. Now y'all, the top colors this year are black, orange, and pink. So I am gonna use a 1-inch Ferris silk ribbon, but I had this one out from last night's class, so I am just going ahead and we're gonna use it. I am gonna make a half bow. So it's not going to be a big full bow, it's just going to be a half bow. Really pretty ribbons. And then we're going to, I do love to mix polka dots and checks and stripes. Y'all, I love doing that. It's never bothered me. I never sit there and say like, oh, that check and that stripe, it clashes. No, I love mixing all kinds of patterns together. I'm going to use my last zip tie. I need to go to the hardware store and buy some zip ties. So before I cinch it shut, right there where I don't want to cinch that all the way yet, I am putting a U-pin in there. And that's going to allow us to glue that into our piece of foam. So I'm going to bring that in. That ribbon just a little bit. I'm going to set that right in there, y'all. We do need to add a little bit more glue. So we're going to do that. And then I'm going to start adding some of my filler greenery, which is my glittered boxwood stem. So that's what we're doing. And we're going to just start adding some of this glittered boxwood to our pumpkin. Now, I only had one bush of these left, so I'm cutting that up into some smaller pieces. Next, I'm going to come in with this affordable greenery. Y'all, it does have an orange tint to it, so I do want to bring in some more of that orange. It's more of like a golden orange color, but I do love these because they are pushables. Y'all, there's a whole option on shoplikejordan.com that has affordable greenery. It's called affordable greenery. So this is in that category. It's really pretty. I know we use a lot of the affordable greenery, so because one, it's affordable and it comes in so many different colors as well. Yo, this is great for let's say like your office. You want to bring in a little bit of spooky decor, but you can't go all out. You can just set this right there on your desk, and you can put some candy in it. Just cut these at a knife edge. So a knife edge is just cutting it at the slant. Okay, so that's what we have so far. Y'all, look how cute that looks. So next, I am going to bring in some of my little ghosties. Now, these ghosts did come in the subscription box, and we did have to give y'all a disclaimer that they do pop off, unfortunately, in shipping. But you know what, y'all? A little bit of hot glue works some magic, y'all. And you just glue that right back on. I am going to trim this up right here. Y'all, I'm not the biggest fan of these little wispies. I'm not, but I am going to use them. I'm only going to use a little bit of them, though. I'm not going to use a lot of them. So I'm going to come in with this stem right here, since this one is our larger one. And I want that poking out the top right there. So just this one didn't have to have a lot of glue, but I still need to add just a little bit of glue to it, y'all, right there. Like I said, they're just glued on there. So that's all I'm doing, is just adding that little extra bit of glue. Oh, I have to add glue on the stem too. Oops. So now I'm going to bring in some of this glittered fern. This is really pretty. There were some glittered fern options on shoplikejordan.com the other day. So just making sure all of my mechanics are covered. The good thing is this is battery operated, so you don't have to worry about a flame. A lot of venues don't allow you to use real flame candles. So I'm coming in, and I may have got these from the wreath shop, or I probably had them a while, y'all. Just being 100% honest, because I live in the boonies of West Texas. I really don't live in the boonies, but I'm 2.5 hours away from the closest craft store. So I'm gonna flip this and kind of go under. So y'all, look how cute that is. Really stinking cute. Quick 20-minute, 30-minute project that you can do.